millet time. It's millet time. Who wants millet? Nobody? Nobody wants millet. Oh, we have a taker. We have a contestant, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody else is thinking, millet, Neil, Tweety. You know, the early bird gets the millet. And that seemed to be the case. What are you going to do, Neil? Tweety? Tweety, I got a thumb right here for you. There's a thumb for you. Up on the thumb. Up right on that thumb. Go ahead, Tweety. Oh, Neil's getting in there. Neil's getting in there. There we go. I got 3. Come on, Tweety. Come on, Tweety. Make it 4. Come on, Tweety. God, look at that. All 4. All 4. Everybody be nice now. No fighting. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, my God. No fighting now. Everybody get along. I know, Carl. Intense, huh? You used to have the place all to yourself. It used to be. Here, Carl. Come on, hop on. Oh, this is just lovely. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Carl's just proud. He's just proud that he got everybody going. But this is just wonderful. My goodness. It feels weird too, I'll tell you. Don't fight, you two. Don't fight. Tweety. Be nice. Hey, you guys are doing a good job on me. Ha 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 ha. Excellent. Excellent. My goodness. Good stuff. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I am. Yeah, hey, you're blocking the camera there, big boy. Yeah. I'm just part of the cage now. Just another damn perch with good food on it. Up, 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 up. Oh, you are good birdies, I'll tell you. Jeez. Neil's just hanging. don't care. Alright, girls. Boys and girls. Alright, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Who wants to come out with me? Want to come out with me? Come on. Come on out with me. Come on, Neil.
What are you gonna do that?
Yeah. Lovely. Thank you, everyone. That was lovely. I loved it. Here, you all play. Go ahead and play.